Uh, After in previous lecture in previous video we had talked about some examples of this estimation. Today we will talk about the various methods of building estimates. So in general there are two methods: separate or individual wall method and the center line method. You can pause your video and just read these paragraphs, you will get the idea. But I will explain you this complete method of separate or individual wall method through examples. So we will take one example, and first I'm shooting this. You can pause your video and you can read all the content of this page about the individual wall method. It is nothing but we divide the complete structure with in two walls. One is short wall and the long walls. So we do calculations for different walls separately for each item. For each and every item, we will do calculation for separately. So this problem we will solve. This example third A of BN Datta. This the plan is given of for superstructure of a single room building of wall thickness is 30 centimeters, room size is 5 meter by 4 meter, and these are the two walls of this. All the walls are of same size. Okay, so for calculation of earthwork, uh, we have to calculate the all four items. What are these items? Earthwork, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation and plinth, and brickwork in superstructure. Okay, all these four items we have to calculate. Now we have the first we calculate what we calculate the center to center distance of all walls. Okay, there are two types of wall. This wall is equal to this wall, this wall is equal to this wall. So we have two types of walls. This center to center distance, this 4 meter plus half of wall thickness, we will get the center to center distance, that is 4.30 meter and 5.30 meter. The one wall we can call it as long wall, and second wall we can call it as short wall. Okay, so and this is the cross section of footings. As and when we need, I will refer to this, and let's start preparing the for calculation of excavation. It is preferred to prepare the different plans at different levels. Okay, this is plan for superstructure, plan for plinth wall, plan for second footing, plan for last footings, plan for this is, if you are expert, no need to draw this such type of plans. You can just directly imagine and just fill the table. Okay, but if you are beginner, it will be preferred that you prepare these plans, and from these plans you will take the value. Okay, first you prepare this table to for the measurements. Okay, first is earthwork in excavation in foundation. So first long wall and short wall. How many long walls, how many short walls? I'll show you. This is 1 and 2. This is long wall. This is 5 meter length. It is long wall. Two long walls, 1 and 2. Two short walls. So long walls 2, short walls 2. Clear? The length is length of short wall is 6.20 meter. How this 6.20 comes? This length is we have to do excavation for foundation. So this length is of excavated length. It is not the length of wall only. It is the excavation required for the wall. So it is length is the center to center distance is 5.30 meter. I already computed, plus the excavation required at the ends of the long wall. Okay, so let me show you draw on paper so that you can see it clearly. Suppose this is the wall. Okay, so if we want to prepare the footing, we have to excavate this much depending upon the cross section. I'll show you the cross section depending on the cross section. So what we will do, if we center to center is here, but the foundation footing will come up to here. Okay, so we will add the half breadth of footing here and half breadth of footing here, and we will get the total length of excavation. So that's why we, and in short wall we will subtract this distance, because the excavation is already done, so no need to add this excavation in short wall distance. So this 5.30 plus the base width of this foundation is 90 centimeter, so it will comes out to be 6.20. The width is 90 centimeter, 90 centimeter. In short wall it is 4.30 minus 1 breadth, 3.40 meter, 3.40 meter. So in this way you can calculate the earthwork. You can, the same thing you can visualize in the plan of trenches. So this is center line plan, and the trenches of 90 centimeter side height width. So in this way you can, from this plan you can get this length is this 5.30 plus 90, you will get the 6.20, and from 4.30 you subtract this half breadth and this half breadth, you will get the 3.40 short wall distance for excavation. Now after the excavation we have to estimate the trench, concrete foundation, long wall and short wall. The concrete will be placed in the same length of the foundation, so two long walls, two short walls, and the length will be same, and the width, height 30 centimeter. I can show you this 30 centimeter is this 30 centimeter, this 30 centimeter. You just add these two, you will get the total quantity of concrete in foundation. Next brickwork. In brickwork in foundation and plinth, it is very little bit take care. So there are two types of walls. Long walls, we will do separate calculations for long walls and the short walls. Long walls in first footing up to lime concrete we did, then second footing, then plinth walls. First footing, the same things for the short wall also. Now we calculate the separate center to center